Hi, today I'm gonna reveal to you my single best method for making money with photos on Instagram fast. Hi, my name is Rina, and if you want more tips on building a successful photography business, then subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll have a new video when I release them. So listen up because I got more techniques on how to succeed as a freelance photographer. If famous Instagrammers are cashing in on the photos they snap and share every day, why not you, right? You have. So if you're asking, how many Instagram followers do you need? The answer? Well, not as many as you think. But of course, the more, the merrier, the better. For example, based on the website tophashtags.com/Instagram, the popular niches are. Yes, top Instagrammers actually make thousands per post. But what if you have smaller but engaged 1,000 followers? Yes, it still has the potential to make profit. But of course, the more followers you get, the better. So, are you ready for the secret of selling photos to brands? Okay, I'll share with you my single best method for making money with photos on Instagram fast. So you do it is to position your photos with flat layout, lace. Now flat layouts look fantastic and is very eye-catching. This one is a great example of flat lay design. You should select carefully how you will capture the photo so that you showcase your artistry to potential brands and clients. This is a trending product photography skill which gives you an unfair advantage. But hey, did you know that aside from Instagram, you can also have more options to make money with photography? With other sites that I'm talking. And relevant to this, I happen to have a free guide that helps you to land more photography jobs. It worked for me when all else failed. So, click this link to land more photography jobs for the free ebook. Yes, this is 100% free ebook guide for easy steps. Even though how lazy you are, you can make money with photos. Make money